1998 black Blazer. Here we are. We're outside. And so that's an example of what I did along the door channels here. It's a rocker panel. Everything is all cleaned up. Let's get a back out view. See this striping along the bottom. along the bottom. I'll wipe it down one more time. I just noticed the radiator cap is leaking, so I got to find the other one. I should still have it. If not, I'll go buy one. Probably seal dried out. I ran her up good. She's nice and hot. She looks good. Let's look around here. This side. Okay. A little rust issue over there. It's all gone. The pimples. Let's close the door. And let's just do a walk around here. I'll get the top. Let me just close this. Okay. So, here's the front. Side. We'll open up the lift gate. I replaced everything back here. So we have nice lift gate. All that's done. Everything works. Nice and clean. We got this. Okay. I'm going to pull it back around. Bumper's cleaned up nice. Cleaned up okay. It looks good. And I'm going to go just back it up and pull it in front of the garage for now and go clean up and find the rest of that stuff that I need, put away what I don't, find that cap. I think it looks good. She looks real good. And so we'll get this as the close of this project, and it's going to go up for sale. It's a really nice vehicle. Came out very nice. Very happy with it. And you can see the work that I did down below. Very, very clean. All right,